Why is Shein declining your card? Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm gonna explain you why your Shein card is not getting through. So without any further ado, let us get started with the explanation. So one of the reasons Shein might not be accepting your credit or debit card is because you might have entered the wrong data. When you make payment, make sure that your card name and your CVV is correct. There might also be a problem with the card. Most common issue is that you do not have enough balance and therefore the purchase cannot be managed. To fix this, you just have to access your bank and see if there is any problem with your card. There also might be a temporary problems. For instance, if all the people are purchasing the items all at once, this might lead to a temporary failures of payments. And another reason your payment might have declined is due to security errors. So what I meant by that is Shein may block the payment of an order if it detects that the data does not match. So these are the reasons why you might be facing the card declination problem. And to get out of these problems, the best alternative is to use PayPal. A lot of people are recommending PayPal as it is a payment method accepted by many online stores and it will also allow you to pay with your credit card or debit card. So this video pretty much sums up both of the problems and solutions. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then comment down below. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more.